first let's talk about how to find a bad wheel cylinder. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes everything back here is soaked with brake fluid and it can be fairly obvious it is the wheel cylinder, but in this case it's not so obvious. But I come in with a small screwdriver and I move it back like this, and you can see the fluid down in there. You shouldn't see any fluid at all, it should be completely dry. Step one of this process is going to be to find the adjuster. And in this case, it's this guy right here. It's usually a star wheel kind of thing like this. And you turn it in the direction that it would normally go. It wants to spin one way. It doesn't want to spin the other way. Now we can see that the brake shoes have moved far enough away from the wheel cylinder to where it can be removed without having to disturb the brake shoes. So we can go ahead in the back and disconnect the brake line and disconnect the wheel cylinder from the backing plate. All right, with all the fasteners removed and the brake line, should be able to pull this guy right out. I like to remove bleeder valves from new wheel cylinders, and it's often necessary before installation, but make sure, in this case, the bleeder points towards the back. Make sure you're installing the correct wheel cylinder on the correct side. And we get started on the connections in the back. Don't forget to install your bleeder. I leave it loose just so that I can start gravity bleeding. Check it out. You just saved yourself a bunch of time and effort installing a wheel cylinder. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.